This is my sister eating the hot dog. His name is Nick. Her name is Nick. She's gonna stay that sense to it.
Half the team, mom, dad, don't stick around. Mario's just showing a lot of willingness. That's what things get relationships back on track. Just willingness. Alright, well, thank you guys for sharing with us and being willing to be open and committed to this.
Hold on.
Step aside for a quick break and then turn to Kayla. Which story is coming up next?
I'm her little sister.
Sometimes it makes you want to die.
Damn it, that poor puppy.
It was a misunderstanding of epic proportions.
That girl? I had no idea she was up to spray paint.
Being that girl was my new identity.
Yes, you're the match.
But I won't let it define me. I'm not raising my hand.
Awkward. New series premieres Tuesday, July
Oh,
19th.
hello. Oh, wow, oh. The heck? Okay.
Next generation.
So watch the puppy.
Treat your own.
What's the best way to hide your breakouts? Here. Flirting out there. What if there was a makeup that didn't just hide your breakouts, but actually made them go away? Neutrogena Skin Clearing Makeup. It has a proven blemish fighting formula blended with silky, gorgeous makeup. So it gives you a beautiful, flawless look while undercover your work sickly breakouts. Does your makeup do that? Neutrogena Cosmetics.
It's starting.
You have something, right?
Icy cool intensity, so you're prepared no matter how close you get. Dainty nice, practice safe rest.
Never taste doggy food.
Even when I travel. Hot dog surprise when they tell me stuff. You don't have a good surprise face. Maybe I can look up videos of surprise people on my new phone for reference. Yeah, I really want that phone.
Upgrade to the new Droid Incredible 2 by HTC with global capabilities for only $149.99. Now on America's largest, most reliable high-speed network, Verizon. We each have a boss.
Ow, yes, that is
I'm going to be giving you an
You left it in there for that long?
Jones.
And second,
Your first name is what? Last name is Jones. You got a problem with it?
mix it around
Cool
with
name?
this
Did you get that nickname? When I was a kid, I slept in my mother's bedroom.
Here is her
Right here?
Yeah.
Did you say you're trying to be around where the baby's here? Absolutely. Yeah,
are you kidding me?
Oh, see, there's a reason my daughter tells me. Yeah, but she doesn't see that way.
I'm it's so hard for me being pregnant and getting
I just can't say hello. Oh, well, oh, wow. Okay.
Oh my gosh. So like that is discussed oftentimes what happens about it. You're drink a lot, especially when you're pregnant.
My girl.
That's what's like.
Just a big circle on me.
I don't want to see you do that. You know, it goes out and you have to get a whole shower and you have to take your time to yourself. Figure out what you're doing and what you're doing. So what
Just a big,
concern for you. You know, you want to die with you.
just a big circle on me. Just a big circle on me. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy.
I just want things to go back to the way they used to be.
Alright, Kaylin, what are the tears about?
He's sleepy.
Anything in particular?
Oh, the potty pad. It's a she, I hope you know. Okay? Okay.
This camera, she moved away from all the kids. That was hard.
Dog. Now that was a doggy. Bye.